What's up YouTube, I'm Fortress Bros, welcome back to the vlog. Happy 4th of July. I'm not launching any fireworks myself today.
I have no money!
I might go watch fireworks tonight near my neighborhood. I'll do something for this patriotic day. I just did a quality test on my camera with 480p, 720p, and 1080p. 1080p looks the best. 480 is just no. 720 is just no. 1080p is the best. Sorry I didn't vlog yesterday, guys. I know I said even if there's nothing to vlog about. Ooh, there's some wind there. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, it's about the storm. Hopefully it'll blow over by the time I can do some fireworks or watch fireworks or whatever for the 4th of July. But it was literally nothing to vlog about. It was so boring. I was like, oh my gosh, when the heck am I going to get my mower back? There's bad news and good news about the mower, guys. Bad news, mower's not worth fixing. They found another problem. One of the valves in the engine is just worn out, so we had to trash it and buy a new one. And here's the new one. I think I've showed my old mower in the other vlogs, but this one looks just like it. It's a Troy built, but it has a Honda engine. These are good trusted engines, and it's brand new. It runs really nice. I mowed the lawn today. I had to set the height at max height to 6 because this lady's lawn was super long. I haven't cut it in like 3-4 weeks, something like that. And oh, flags flying. Oh, did you guys hear that? Somebody set off a firecracker. Yeah, it's about to thunder. Hopefully this will blow over. It'd be nice if it did. I think it will. Oh, you heard that? See, people are setting off fireworks now. People were doing it last night on the 3rd. Yeah, so there'll be no vlog up today on the 4th, but this vlog will be up tomorrow on the 5th, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when I plan on uploading them. My lawn needs to be mowed, as you can see. I'm mowing that next. I was gonna mow it when I was done with that lady's lawn, but it was way too hot. I was out there for about 4 hours. Whew. See, we got some blue sky right here. You know, we're doing good. We're good. But then we got that, and we got fireworks going off. And we got a hole right there that needs to be filled in. Once I go, I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's usually a huge fireworks show every year near my neighborhood. I can even see it from like right there above the trees. They launch big fireworks, and I'm probably gonna go there tonight since I have no money. We don't have money to buy fireworks. We usually buy fireworks and set them off right here in the cul-de-sac, you know, but we have no money.
I have no money!
I'm not sure about this thunder, guys. I hope this stuff blows over. It doesn't look like much. Probably gonna blow over. Ooh, there's another one. It's gonna blow over. I asked Google if it's gonna rain. Watch, I'll ask her again. Okay, Google, is it going to rain today?
Rain is not expected today, and the forecast is 87 degrees and partly cloudy.
Hear that? 87 degrees and partly cloudy. It's not gonna rain, so I think we're good. It's not expected. When I got the new mower this morning, I did a test run. That's why there's like one strip in my lawn here around that's cut. It looks so weird. I don't know if you can notice it, but if you go over here by the basketball hoop, you can definitely notice it. Look at that. I went one time around my yard with the mower. It cuts really nice because, of course, it's a brand new mower. That needs to be weed whacked. So I'm going to do that tomorrow and vlog more. Make these daily for you guys as long as the summer is still alive. I'm not sure if I can keep doing them once school starts back up. I'm going to try. If I can't, I'll vlog once a week for you guys. I will bring back the welcome back to my vlog. I'm not sure if it's called a series, but that's what I named my vlogs before I started these daily vlogs. I just call them vlog 1, 2, 3, and so on. This is vlog 18. Would have been 19, but I didn't vlog yesterday. That needs to be cut, that lawn. I've said that many times. I'm bored, guys. I'm bored. Hopefully this vlog is going to be long and cool. With the fireworks tonight, I'm definitely going to do something. So stay tuned for that. I always like to get a head start at editing my vlog. You guys already saw this part, of course, with the lawnmower cutting through the grass as a test. I think I jinxed myself about the rain. It started to sprinkle when I rolled up the flag. The forecast on the news said the rain should be blown over just in time for fireworks when it gets dark around like 9 p.m. So I'm good either way. Fireworks tonight, yeah.
it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you